Bear goes on the rampage.
It might have taken us 10 years to graduate, but in all seriousness, it really does provide some good insight into what's out there.
I said cut that.
Absolutely. So, clinical exploratory studies at the University of
I'm putting you in it, Jesus. What more do you want?
And the biggest thing to remember is that 75% of college students will change their majors at least once. Sure. And another
Yeah, Bear's ready to go on a rampage. He wants those Starbursts.
Yeah.
I'll give it to him.
No,
likes
he can't
to
eat.
eat
He
Starburst.
can't eat hard candy.
I've seen him do it.
Yeah, but
we don't want him to die.
Oh God.
he's going on a rampage. He's got a sandal. He's got a sandal. He's got a sandal. A rabid dog has got a sandal.
Yo, I will karate chop before you came from.
You just bop the sandal on his nose. That's all you do. Now he's following you for the Starburst again. Bear's going on a rampage. Oh, Jesus. Bear goes on a rampage. We need to calm down the dog. He wants those freaking Starbursts. He wants those Starbursts. He wants those freaking Starbursts. Bear, stop it. Or do you want me to let him go?
Let go.
Let go. He wants those shoes. He wants those J's.
Tell him to go. Get him.
Okay. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God.
Jesus Christ, your face.
Yo face. Yo face. Oh, God. He wants those shoes. That's what he wants. He wants those shoelaces. Very bad dog. Stop. Oh, he wants those freaking Starbursts. Bad bear. Batty, 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 fatty. Bear really wants his Starburst. Finally. Oh my God, that didn't help one bit.
Run.
Oh God, get on the bed. Get on the bed. No, seriously, get on the bed. That ain't gonna help. Oh, no. He's like Jaws. Oh my God, did he calm down? No. Bear, calm down. Calm down. Your parent is waiting for you to calm down. Bear's just very...
My son. Calm down, my son. My son. Yo, come on, my son.